Kia just killed the boomerang lights everyone either loved or hated and replaced them with something that makes the Sportage look like it borrowed styling cues from a $60,000 luxury SUV. But that's just the beginning of what changed. Here's what nobody's telling you about this refresh. Exterior design evolution. The most striking change centers on the front fascia, where Kia's new star map lighting replaces the previous boomerang-style daytime running lights with distinctive amber LED elements. This design evolution follows Kia's Opposites United philosophy, creating a more mature and sophisticated appearance. The new vertically stacked headlight configuration draws inspiration from the larger Telluride, giving the Sportage a more substantial road presence. The redesigned front grille appears wider and more upright, flanked by these new vertical headlights that create a bolder visual statement. This transformation moves the Sportage away from the generic crossover aesthetic towards something more distinctly SUV-like in character. The star map lighting isn't merely cosmetic either, as it improves visibility while adding a premium touch that distinguishes the vehicle from competitors. Rear updates remain more subtle but equally thoughtful. The updated rear bumper and revised taillights provide cleaner lines and improved visual cohesion with the front-end changes. Wheel options continue ranging from 17 to 19 inches depending on trim level, while the compact spare tire remains standard across the lineup, providing practical peace of mind for drivers. The X-Line trim maintains its rugged character with blacked-out exterior accents and specialized design elements that appeal to adventure-oriented buyers. Additional exterior paint colors expand personalization options, allowing customers to better express their individual style preferences. Interior technology revolution. Perhaps the most significant upgrade occurs inside the cabin, where Kia introduces a new 12.3-inch panoramic display that replaces the previous segmented screen setup with a seamless curved panel housing both driver display and infotainment functions. This technological leap brings the Sportage into alignment with luxury crossover expectations while maintaining user-friendly operation. The new infotainment system includes Kia's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard equipment, plus over-the-air update capability. This connectivity improvement addresses a common customer complaint about previous models while ensuring the system remains current throughout ownership. The steering wheel receives a complete redesign, moving from the previous 3-spoke configuration to a cleaner 2-spoke design that eliminates the fingerprint-prone glossy black buttons. The new wheel features textured scroll controls and a flatter, wider shape that provides better tactile feedback during operation. This seemingly minor change significantly improves the daily driving experience and complements the modernized dashboard layout. Additional interior improvements include standard rear USB-C charging ports, enhanced ambient lighting, and upgraded materials throughout the cabin. Kia deserves recognition for maintaining physical controls for essential functions like heated seats, steering wheel, and climate systems, rather than burying these frequently used features within touchscreen menus. New available features include a fingerprint authentication system, heads-up display, and Highway Driving Assist 2 with lane-changing capability. These additions position the Sportage competitively against more expensive rivals while maintaining Kia's value proposition. Powertrain and pricing structure. The 2026 Sportage lineup starts at $28,690 for the base LX front-wheel drive model, representing a $1,300 increase over the previous year, but including significant standard equipment upgrades. All-wheel drive adds approximately $2,000 to any trim level, while the top X Pro Prestige reaches $40,985 before options. The plug-in hybrid receives particular attention in the 2026 refresh, now available exclusively in X-Line configurations. This strategic move combines the rugged outdoor aesthetic with efficient electric driving capability, addressing customer requests for more flexible hybrid trim option. The PHEV maintains its estimated 34-mile electric-only range, perfect for daily commuting without gasoline consumption. Regular hybrid variants continue with the proven 1.6-liter turbocharged engine paired with electric motor assistance, delivering excellent fuel economy and smooth performance characteristics. The gasoline-only engines remain available across multiple trim levels, providing options for budget-conscious buyers who don't require electrification. Enhanced capability features. All-wheel drive models now include dedicated terrain modes for snow, mud, and sand conditions. While the Sportage won't replace dedicated off-road vehicles, these modes provide increased confidence when pavement ends. The system adjusts throttle response, transmission behavior, and stability control settings to optimize performance in low traction situations. Ground clearance remains at 8.3 inches across the lineup, with standard roof rails on appropriate trims. This combination makes the Sportage capable for weekend camping trips, snowy driveways, and light trail duty while maintaining comfortable on-road manners for daily driving. The X-Line and X-Pro trims specifically target adventure-minded buyers with specialized equipment and styling cues. These variants balance rugged appearance with practical capability, appealing to customers who want outdoor credibility without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Safety and driver assistance. Standard safety equipment includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane keeping assistance, rear parking sensors, automatic high beams, and driver attention monitoring. Higher trim levels add blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, front parking sensors, and 360-degree camera systems. New available features include forward collision avoidance with direct oncoming detection, updated highway driving assist 2, and enhanced parking sensors. This comprehensive safety suite matches or exceeds what competitors offer at similar price points, reinforcing Kia's commitment to protecting occupants. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability becomes standard equipment, along with forward and reverse park distance warning systems. These additions make daily driving less stressful while providing additional protection during parking maneuvers. Market position and value proposition. The Sportage remains Kia's best-selling model for good reason, combining attractive design with practical functionality and an unbeatable warranty program. The 2026 updates address previous weaknesses while building on existing strengths, creating a more well-rounded package that competes effectively against established rivals. The cargo space continues leading the compact SUV class, while the interior dimensions provide comfortable seating for 5 adults. These practical advantages, combined with competitive pricing and comprehensive feature content, maintain the Sportage's position as an overachiever in the segment. Quality improvements extend throughout the cabin, with better materials and more sophisticated finishes that justify the modest price increase. The technology upgrades alone represent significant value, bringing features typically reserved for luxury vehicles to a mainstream price point. The 2026 Sportage represents exactly what a mid-cycle refresh should accomplish. It addresses customer feedback systematically while improving areas that needed attention. The exterior design changes create broader appeal, the interior technology matches contemporary expectations, and the powertrain options provide something for every buyer preference. For buyers choosing between 2025 and 2026 models, the decision depends on priorities. If cutting-edge technology, refined styling, and improved user experience matter most, the 2026 model justifies the additional cost. Budget-conscious shoppers comfortable with the previous design and technology can still find excellent value in remaining 2025 inventory. Either choice provides access to one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs available, backed by industry-leading warranty coverage and competitive total cost of ownership. The Sportage continues earning its popularity through practical excellence rather than flashy marketing, making it a sensible choice for families seeking reliable transportation with modern conveniences. Please like this video and subscribe for more comprehensive automotive analysis. Share your powertrain preference in the comments. Gasoline, hybrid, or plug-in hybrid? Thank you for watching.